Hello friends, today I will show you how to change the time format in Windows 11. For that you have to go to control panel, open your start and go to control panel. And here you can see this option clock and region, click on that, and here date and time. And then you have to go to change date and time. And then this change calendar settings. Here you can see a lot of options, and here you have to change. You can see it is in 24 hours format, like 20. So I want to change it 12-hour format. So for that you have to change this from capital letter HH to small letter HH. So you can see the difference here. You can see the short time changed to 12-hour format, and if you just change it back, you can see that it changed in different format. So you have to select this HH small letter. Then for long time also I'm changing it to HH. So you can see it changed to 12-hour format. And you can similarly change the date also. For example, you can see the date is in this format, so I can change it to this. It shows full year, and I have to change to see. You can see the differences. That's how you change the date, and click on apply. As you can see, my time changed to 12-hour format. That's it. It's simple like that. Hope this video helps you. Thank you.